Hi, my name is Kenneth Brown, and I'm a student here at Middlesex Community College. And I'm presenting today my submission for the competition, which is called the Comet, a 3D printed portable computer. The project was first developed in 2016 based on a video game my brother played. It was strapped to my arm with yarn and had no shell. In 2017, I made a cardboard version of it with orange buttons. In late 2018, me, Brian, and I made a 3D printed shell for the electronics. After many trials and designs, we made a prototype that performed well. On my own, I also added a flashlight, brackets, and a hole for a laser button. Comet can also be worn on your wrist, allowing for use of the keyboard, and also it has a touchscreen as well. It has an Ethernet port, a flashlight. This is for the keyboard, 3 USB ports. This is the lithium-ion battery, and the switch for the flashlight.